Now, CES 2018 is increasingly turned into a battle of the smart assistants. Google is huge this year at the show. But that's not to say Amazon's Alexa is standing still. No, in fact, the latest gadget to feature Amazon's smart assistant is Vuzix Blade. That's a new pair of smart glasses that factor in a floating display, voice controls, and, well, you know, everything you can do with Alexa tech. Now, cleverly, what Vuzix has done is combine the benefits of wearable smart glasses with all those voice controls. Now, if you summon up a map with Alexa to ask for directions, you'll get projected directions on the glasses floating in front of your eyes. You can use the camera to take quick snapshots. It's all running on Android, so it's a clever combination of several mobile systems. Now, at the moment, this is still a prototype. Vuzix is selling this for $1,800 to developers to build up momentum, applications, and more. Eventually, the company wants to launch these at around $1,000 to consumers like you and me, which sounds a little bit more reasonable, if still rather pricey. The company also believes that that price is still going to come down as long as there's enthusiasm behind it. All the controls for the Vuzix Blade are found on the right arm. One tap is like enter, a double tap will take you backwards, and then you can swipe along the icons and menu settings to adjust and use whatever you want. It's a relatively simple system, and that means that Amazon's Alexa is there to take up those more complicated input methods. There's nothing here for you to type on, so voice is a kind of ideal partnership. Now, the Vuzix Blade is probably just the start of the crazy applications we're going to see for Amazon's Alexa. Voice assistants are coming to everything. We've already seen them in microwaves, and a pair of smart glasses is another smart combination. We're sure we're going to find plenty more gadgets with voice assistants built in. Stay tuned to Engadget for the best of the rest.